Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, starting on the daily, working down to the 1 hour. So on the daily, we had this nice higher low, which was actually the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this move. With this higher low, I would expect this to either be an A, B, C, which will probably go up and take out these highs, possibly turning back down, or it could even turn into a 1, 2, 3. And if that's the case, it would go up and take out these highs. So either scenario, we are definitely bullish right now. We got our Fibonacci retracement on here just in case it does want to break structure to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level. If it does, we would definitely stop looking for longs and go back to looking for shorts. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, if it breaks structure to the downside at a fib level, then I'll start looking for shorts. Otherwise, I am definitely still only looking for longs. I think our most recent structure is right here. This is the 1 hour time frame structure, high, low, high, low, high, low series. We did turn it to 50%, but we didn't break structure. Now, if it does break structure, I would definitely start looking for shorts on pullbacks. Otherwise, I would just keep on looking for longs. This could just keep on making higher highs, higher lows. And if it does, and we just keep on looking for longs, great. That's great news for us. Or if it goes up and hits a fib level and then, breaks structure to the downside, we'll just simply stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.